As a boat detailer for almost 30 some odd years, I get the comment often, my boat's too far gone to be brought back with a buffer. It needs to be wet sanded. Well, at Elliott Bay Marina in Seattle, Washington, in 1991, sponsor boxes or dock boxes were installed, so these things haven't been buffed in over 30 some odd years. On occasion, they get a pressure washer to knock some of the seashells and bird crap off of them, but that's about it. I was tired of explaining and trying to convince people verbally that this is possible, so I thought, what better way to do it than a demonstration? Here's a 30 some odd year old dock box, knackered up from all sorts of neglect, and with a buffer and some compound, we're able to bring these things back and put a shine back to them. I've been teaching people how to use a buffer for a long time so that they don't do stuff like this because, oh my God, whoever did that deserves to be slapped almost to death. That is ridiculous. They actually went home thinking that their job was done. How embarrassing on their soul. Anyway, back to the fun stuff. You also know, probably, if you're familiar with these boxes and boats and marinas, that spiders, especially dock spiders, love to hang out on these particular boxes. This is their home, folks. This is basically a spider condo. Every time you're done washing your boat, they're just hanging out there going, all right, it's time. Now, these boxes are about as bad as it gets. There is probably older, more dry gel coat, but the pores in these things are big enough that they're looking at me. So if the reflection on the box that you saw just a moment ago doesn't look pristine like wet paint, yeah, these things are like 30 years old. Now, if you could just get the spiders off of them, that'd be cool. Oh, hey, I have something for that too if you're interested. Check it out. As it turns out, for the last 10 years, I've been working on a product that I've been testing for the last 3.5 years, and it's fucking awesome. It also repels spiders, which is kind of cool because a lot of boats have, well, spiders, and docks have spiders, and it's a mess to clean up all the time. So if it lasts for longer than a season, and it's made by a guy who cares about boats and you, then I guess maybe give it a shot. If you don't like it, you can always tell the world I suck.